Robert Butler, Golf Course Superintendent at Meadowlark Hills. I've been with the city for 6 years now, 3 years with the golf course and 3 years with the parks.
I'm Carson Thielander, and I've worked here for 1 year now, and I'm a part of the maintenance crew at Meadowlark Golf Course.
The importance of seasonals at the golf course, they're very important. There's so much to do on a golf course between spraying, mowing, doing bunkers. There's just so many different jobs that you can do.
The reason I applied at Meadowlark was back at home before moving to Kearney for college, I worked at a golf course for 2 years there. Really enjoyed it, grew up on a golf course, and it's really just a fun atmosphere. Get to work with a lot of people my age.
Meadowlark's a great place to work because we get a lot of young kids that come in from college or just graduating from high school. A lot of them are friends, so they come out and are able to work together. And then it's just kind of a good starting job. I started out here as a seasonal, and it turned into a career for me. After touring the country at different golf courses, I came back to where I started.
This year working at Meadowlark, I've learned a lot from the different types of grass we use, where we use it at, the different irrigation heads, the different types of mowers and what mowers can do what. So a lot of equipment and more of the stuff we work with. I've learned a lot more of that this year than I did 2 years back at home. I would tell my friends about this job. It's a lot of people your own age that you work with, and we have a lot of group projects, and that can make it a lot of fun. And there's other days where if you don't really want to work in a big group, you can hop on a mower and mow from the time you clock in to the time you clock out.
The course has an impact for the community, and just that it provides a service for anybody to come out and play. Even the surrounding areas, a lot of people will travel here to play. So it just provides another opportunity for people to get out and do something within the city of Kearney.